PaCER is a very unusual collaboration between scientists and the Pawsey supercomputer staff to work together to take advantage of the latest supercomputer technologies and apply it into the computational codes that have previously worked on the older technologies, and to take them so much further to be able to solve much bigger problems than whatever was possible before. But because the new technologies are so complicated, without the support of the Pawsey staff, this would not be possible for us scientists. My name is Igor Bray. I'm Professor of Theoretical Physics at Curtin University.
And I'm Liam Scarlett. I'm a postdoc in the Theoretical Physics group at Curtin University, led by Igor, doing calculations on electron collisions with diatomic molecules for nuclear fusion astrophysics applications.
Collisions on the atomic and molecular scale go on all around us. They are in this room, in the air, inside our bodies, out in space. And by quantitatively understanding those collisions, we can take advantage of that knowledge and apply it in a huge range of applications. Anything to do with lights, fusion energy, even medical imaging and therapy, all rely on the kind of calculations that we are able to provide.
The problem is trying to model collisions between electrons and, in the present case, molecular hydrogen, in the future more complex molecules. The calculations that we do for simple molecules like molecular hydrogen already push the capabilities of CPU-based resources. And doing good science in the future means that we need to be able to tackle large problems and therefore make use of next generation technology, which in this case is GPUs.
So the codes that we create the mature ones already are available worldwide via web-based interfaces where other scientists can simply log in and run them if they utilizing some sample inputs. So the work that we do, whether it is CPU based or GPU based, is already installed on various supercomputers around the world, allowing for that particular process. But the complexity and the lack of maturity of some of the GPU implementation is such that we are in desperate need of the expertise of Pawsey staff to help us navigate the transition from CPU to GPU-based architectures.